for anybody who needs to hear this today, today's message is something bigger is on the way. Sometimes it can be really hard to sit with our feelings when we're going through change. We know what we want, it's not coming, it's not happening. It's hard to be patient because our nervous system is dysregulated and it's flooded with anxiety and fear and sometimes guilt and shame. But if you look at this little card, it's a lady with her dog, with her arms outstretched, looking towards the sunrise, I would imagine. And actually, this reminds me of the little doggy that I look after. So those of you that listen to my podcast and follow me know that I have a little doggy called Mo, who is look at that. He's a little Yorkie. And I got this pin from him as a Christmas present. It's my lucky pin. I'm going to attach it to my my inside of my coat. So let's just read this message together. It says, allow your vision to expand. Yeah, this is about expansion, and be open to the form it takes. You may discover that you were dreaming too small, that what seemed like an obstacle is actually pointing you in a better direction. Yes, rejection is God's protection, always. If it's a no from me, Simon, as they say on X Factor, if it's not meant for you, then there's something better. The universe always has your back. Yeah, so even though the universe probably sends you things that you don't want to face, it's doing it because it's taking you to a different energetic plane, like you're up leveling your energy. So if you're journaling on this card today, I'd like you to journal on how you're feeling and why it's hard to sit with the feeling. And then it's normally the voice of fear, so write out the voice of fear and then write back to it and tell it to sod off. It's really not, like, it's a big fat fib of fear. It will tell you lies because it wants to keep you small. So journal out your fears because it takes their power away. And just trust and practice breathing and being very much in the moment. Connecting and grounding to nature. Feel your feet on the ground beneath you. Take some deep breaths. Hug your pet. That can help you regulate your nervous system. And just keep your eye on the prize. Keep focused on what it is that you're working towards. That's the most important thing. And stay in a space of expecting the best, of be open to all possibilities. Anything could happen. All right, lovely wild hearts, have a great day. See you again soon. Bye for now.